Hello and welcome to another day in Kajabi. It is your 20th day. Can you believe how far you've come and all the progress you've made? This is just awesome. Today, we're going to go into the landing pages and I'm going to show you how to set up a links page for your bio link in your social sites. So let's check that out. Here from the dashboard, we'll come up to website and click on landing pages. In the landing pages, we're going to click New Landing Page, and we're going to roll down until we see this link in bio. And there's 4 of them, and I'm just going to take Resonate. So we'll get started, and I'm just going to call this my links page. What you can see is you've got a nice little page here that is just a set of links. And if you turn this into mobile, you can see that it's looking really great on your mobile. So again, this is the type of page that you would create to put as your link in bio for your Instagram link or somewhere else where you can't share all of these links, but you just need one link to come to here. This could replace Linktree, and it's always great to bring people to your website as opposed to sending them somewhere else. So that's why you want to do this. This is going to be edited just like any page. And so you can see in the toolbar on the left, you've got links and you've got your links here, a text box, which is that, and then your profile image. I recommend clicking on these dots and naming these links because it might be a bit confusing over here as you're trying to, drag them around and organize them to know which one is which over here. And sometimes you may have a promotion that you want, to hide all of your other links except for that. And again, it's just going to be nice to know over here what links are what. You'll notice up here that you've got some social links, and you'll want to click on one of those to get to the toolbar area where you can edit them and change them all because they're going to be Kajabis and you don't want that. So make sure you go over to the social links and take care of that. And if you're looking around, those social links are in this area here, even though it looks like they're in a header. They're actually in this text section. You've got a logo and social links. The header isn't being used on this page, and you can see that by coming into the header area, going to mobile, and noticing that the hide header is checked. That box is checked on both desktop and mobile. One other thing that you're going to want to notice when you open up one of these links templates is that you'll see there's some animated text, those little words underneath some of your things. And that's just to give you a clue that these things are animated. Another way that you can just check if you're not sure if you're seeing any text that says animated, you give it a save and you hit the preview button. And there you can see all of the stuff animated out. So if you don't want that animation, then make sure you turn it off. So that's it. This is just a really simple and straightforward page that you can design. Now, coming back here to the landing pages area, it's good always to click on the dots beside your new page and edit the details. Here you can change the URL and the page title. Remember, if you're going to put a page title down here in the SEO and social sharing, this page title up here under General is just an internal title. This title here is what will be public facing. It will show up in the tabs of your browsers, it will show up in search results, and it will show up if you share this link or post it in a social site. Typically, when you post or send a link in a message, the link itself isn't shown, but the title and the image are. And so it's a really good idea to come and to set up a public-facing page title. And if you want, you can put a description in so that when this page comes up in search results, you've got a little bit of control over what's being shown there as well. And whenever you're done working on this page, you always need to make sure you save it. So that wraps up the link in bio page. It's quick and it's easy. You can make it look great and it gives you excellent control over the links that you want to show in your bio of social sites. So take some time today and set that up, connect it to your socials, and you're on your way. I'll see you tomorrow for some more Kajabi tips.